should I say, she once had me. She showed me her room. Isn't it good? Norwegian wood. She asked me to stay and she told me to sit anywhere. So I looked around and I noticed there was in a chair. I sat on her own, biding my time and drinking her wine. We talked until 2, and then she said, it's time for bed. And then I
Miss Piggy, come on, Miss Piggy.
She said that she worked in the morning, hey friend, and started to laugh. I told her I did, and I crawled off to sleep in the bath. And when I awoke, I was alone, this bird had flown. So I lit a fire, isn't it good? Norwegian wood. Oh, thank you very much. Hey, friend. Long time no see.
Hi, do you prefer this?
If you're just walking in and you're going, where in the world am I? This is Strawberry Fields, a living memorial to the late great John Lennon, who lived here in New York City for a number of years. And the city meant a lot to John, and so we keep his memory and his music, thank you very much, going all day long with a new musician every hour on the hour playing his music. My name is Spann, and it's great to have you all here. Is anybody here visiting New York today? Anyone traveling? Ooh, we got a lot of people. I heard a lot of woos. Anybody think they're visiting from the furthest place on the globe? You're visiting? You're not visiting. I see you all the time. Who thinks they're visiting from the farthest place? Yell it out. Anybody from another country? Liverpool? Liverpool, then you know this music. This is the theme songs to your hometown. Anybody further than Liverpool? Ireland. Well, Lily, I know Ireland. Don, you've got the furthest journey here, Upper West Side. Quite a hike. Well, regardless where you're visiting from, it's great to have you here in Strawberry Fields in Central Park in New York City. This next song is one that Paul McCartney wrote for John Lennon's son Julian as a song of comfort and a song of hope, and it's kind of become an anthem to comforting a friend. But it's also a song that sounds best when a lot of voices are singing it. Especially at the end, the lyrics get really easy and they're the same in every language. They're just na 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 na. If you haven't guessed already, this is Hey Jude, and I hope you sing along with me. Hey Jude, don't make it bad. Take a sad song and make it better. Remember to let her into your heart, then you can start to make it better. Hey Jude, don't be afraid. You were made to go out and get her. The minute you let her under your skin, then you begin to make it better. So anytime you feel the pain, hey Jude, refrain. Don't carry the world upon your shoulders. For well you know that it's a fool who plays it cool by for someone to perform with. And don't you know it's just you? Hey Jude, you'll do the movement you need is on your shoulder. Na, 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 na. Last verse. Hey Jude. Oh, don't make it bad. Take a sad song and make it better. Remember to let her into your heart. Then you can start to make it better, 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 yeah. Na, 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 na. Na, 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 na. Hey, Jude, this is the part where everyone sings along. Sing it, na. Na, 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 na. Louder than that, New York. Na, 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 na. Hey, Jude, keep it going. Na, 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 na. Same in every language. Na, 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 na. Hey, Jude. Na, 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 na. Na, 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 na. Hey, Jude, let's keep this party going. Hey, Jude. Thank you very much.